Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I had any updates on this project. I kept running into bugs when further developing this application. It got too messy, so I ended up scrapping a lot of the inner system and rewriting it from scratch, with some help from ChatGPT, of course. And with that out of the way, the tool now cleanly handles passwords and password alterations, and the password system cleanly meshes with the other systems. I've managed to make the sort and filter functions work together properly, and I've made some improvements to the search function as well. Oh, and another small feature I implemented is a restart button. I like the convenience of being able to restart an app, so I included it.
Enter the website/app name.
As you can hear, I added the Windows text-to-speech feature
Enter the
that allows the sight
website/app
impaired to
name.
listen to the HelperBot's message.
Then enter the
This can be
username.
toggled off by clicking the microphone
the-
icon on the HelpBot's little window.
Here,
It gives you
you
prompts on
enter the
all the controls on the first
website/app
time you
name
open
you
this
will
app
use
on
to
your
log
system.
into the website/app.
So let me make a few vaults and dummy accounts and show you some of the changes I've made.
Here, enter the username/email you will use to log into the website/app.
Perhaps the first thing you will notice is how the bitrate changes dynamically as you alter the password with the slider.
Enable this checkbox.
The search feature has seen some improvements. It now shows a blank list if there are not results. The sort and filter features now work well together. And because I've made the bitrate dynamic and more flexible, I've made the filter feature able to search ranges of bitrates instead of fixed numbers. For the visually impaired, I made the labels able to expand a little when the user hovers the mouse over them. Remember, I designed this app for people who are old and not tech-savvy to be able to create and manage strong passwords. I've added placeholders for if a vault does not contain an app name. The next thing I did was have the whole application able to use the font family and font sizes you select for it. I like the idea of customizable apps. I don't know if I ever showed you the pin feature. So here it is. You can enable and disable a pin login. It uses .NET cryptographic libraries to create a key, so it's pretty secure. And a pin is only 4 numbers, so it is easy to remember, and enough to stop other users of the same computer accessing your vault. It doesn't look well styled at the moment, but my plan now is to touch up a few things before I publish it. Anyway, making this program has been an interesting experience. I started to teach myself WPF programming, and I learned a lot, and I also see where I didn't adhere to the WPF protocols. But regardless, we have to start somewhere, and I hope this app provides use to someone out there. Anyway, making this tool was a worthwhile journey. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my app on GitHub and Gumroad.